Man, I hate this haircut. Do you know what happened with this haircut is well, I said to the guy, I said, can I have it short on the sides? Number two on the sides and the back. But I didn't mean the whole sides of it, number two on the sides and the back. I just meant the bottom and then them two little bits there. And I said, number two, you might as well have done a number two on me. Yeah. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Paul Reed and I'm a photographer. I'm here today in Silloth and I'm really excited that my friend Marcus Doyle has came to see me. Marcus has been a photographer a very long time now, and in fact the pair of us got into photography together during our childhood.
We used to come here as kids. A lot of nice fun memories of Silloth. Not a lot here, but there's a lot here. It's that kind of place, isn't it? I don't know. I thought it'd be nice to come somewhere nearby. We didn't want to drive to the Lake District, but it's nice. It's nice to come to these places where there's not too much going on, but sometimes that's the best places to go. You don't want too much, and then it forces you to look for things.
So apart from wandering around Silloth to just see what's about and just take photographs, which is, what we used to do in our youth, really. So apart from that, I thought it'd be good to maybe speak to Marcus a little bit about his photography, because I've always admired his landscape stuff, and he's more kind of colour than me. I'm obviously the monochrome man, but his work is just incredible. So I just want to talk to him a little bit about that too.
So whenever I shoot black and white, always shoot film. I started working in dark rooms printing, so I have a background in black and white, but it's nice. It separates it from the project work. So this is more of a memory of the day, things like that, and then I'll spend a couple of hours in the dark room printing them up. It's that process that's what I like most about black and white. It doesn't really matter so much about the body, it's all about the lens, especially with film. Ding dong, that's one.
Have I taken the best images that I've ever taken today? Well, no, I don't think I have. But what I have done is spend time with an old friend. A friend that I haven't seen in 8 years. And maybe I won't see him for another 8 years. One thing's for sure, if you're not out there with your camera, you're not going to come across opportunities for that greatest image that you've ever taken. And today I wouldn't have had that interaction with this gentleman and take these portraits. Thanks everybody for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. It's been a little bit different. Don't forget, I do the online one-to-one workshops. I do those over Zoom, and whatever your time zone is, I'll work around your time. So yeah, if you want to push your monochrome photography to the next level, then get in touch. I'll leave a link in the description. Also, I do a mentorship program. So for anybody that really kind of just wants help as they go along, then I do a mentorship program as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.